2025.2 introduces new features for forms, event handlers, TMS Web, and more. Our first new feature is in the Forms section. Form designers can now use form record item and event record item properties as additional filters when configuring record item iterators, providing greater flexibility when defining which record items are displayed. Over on the Event Handlers page, we added a new action that can set property values, giving you more control over managing properties automatically. We also added 3 new event triggers for event handlers: record item created, record item edited, and record item deleted. Let's move on to some of the exciting features in TMS Web. TMS Web forms now support auto-saving, ensuring you don't lose progress due to unexpected interruptions. For non-duty events such as PTO or other time off, you can set a preference to prevent these items from appearing as blue busy dots on the TMS Web mini calendar. Lastly, you can toggle between a 4-hour, 10-hour, or 24-hour timeline on the schedule. For more information on the 2025.2 features, visit your Mint Online help.